Welcome to our exploration of climate science, a field dedicated to understanding the complexities of our planet's climate system. In this series, we will delve into the rigorous research and data analysis conducted by scientists worldwide. Climate change is one of the most pressing issues of our time, and it is crucial to approach it with a clear understanding of the scientific consensus. Scientists in laboratories across the globe are tirelessly working to gather and analyze data using advanced technology and methodologies. They study various aspects of the climate, from atmospheric conditions to ocean temperatures, to understand how human activities impact our environment. This research is vital in developing strategies to mitigate the effects of climate change and adapt to its inevitable consequences. Satellite imagery provides a bird's-eye view of our planet, revealing changes in ice caps, sea levels, and weather patterns. These images are crucial in tracking the progression of climate change and understanding its global impact. Melting glaciers and rising sea levels are clear indicators of a warming planet, and they pose significant risks to coastal communities and ecosystems. Extreme weather events such as hurricanes, droughts, and wildfires are becoming more frequent and severe due to climate change. These events have devastating effects on human lives, infrastructure, and natural habitats. By studying these phenomena, scientists can better predict future occurrences and develop measures to protect vulnerable populations. In this series, we will explore the evidence supporting climate change, the challenges faced by researchers, and the innovative solutions being developed to address this global crisis. Join us as we uncover the science behind climate change and the efforts being made to secure a sustainable future for generations to come. Overwhelming scientific evidence supports the reality of climate change, primarily driven by human activities like deforestation and the burning of fossil fuels. Attributing climate change to a hoax or conspiracy theory is not only inaccurate, but also potentially harmful. It undermines efforts to address the very real challenges posed by a changing climate. Misinformation about climate change can spread rapidly through social media, news outlets, and even word of mouth. This misinformation can take many forms, from outright denial of scientific evidence to the spread of misleading statistics and false claims. When people are misled about the reality of climate change, they are less likely to support necessary policies and actions to mitigate its effects. For instance, when influential figures or media outlets claim that climate change is a natural phenomenon that doesn't require human intervention, it can lead to public complacency. People may believe that there is no need to reduce carbon emissions, invest in renewable energy, or support environmental regulations. This complacency can have dire consequences, as the window of opportunity to address climate change is rapidly closing. Moreover, misinformation can erode trust in scientific institutions and experts. When the public is constantly exposed to conflicting information, it becomes difficult to discern what is true. This skepticism can extend beyond climate change to other critical areas of science, such as public health and environmental conservation. The harm of misinformation is not limited to the realm of public opinion. It can also influence policy decisions at the highest levels of government. Policymakers who are swayed by false information may enact laws and regulations that are counterproductive or even detrimental to environmental protection efforts. In conclusion, combating misinformation is crucial in the fight against climate change. It is essential to promote accurate, evidence-based information and to support the work of scientists and researchers who are dedicated to understanding and addressing this global challenge. By doing so, we can foster a more informed public and create a foundation for effective action. In today's digital age, we are constantly bombarded with information from various sources. Unfortunately, not all of this information is accurate or reliable. Instead of promoting misinformation, I encourage you to seek out credible sources of information on climate change. It's crucial to rely on well-established and scientifically backed organizations that provide accurate and up-to-date information. One such source is the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, commonly known as the IPCC. The IPCC is a body of the United Nations responsible for advancing knowledge on human-induced climate change. You can find a wealth of information on their website at ipcc.hh. The IPCC's reports are the result of contributions from thousands of scientists worldwide, ensuring a comprehensive and balanced view of climate science. Another excellent resource is NASA Climate Change, available at climate.nasa.gov. NASA's website offers a plethora of data, visualizations, and articles that explain the science behind climate change. They provide insights into how climate change is affecting our planet, from rising sea levels to increasing global temperatures. NASA's commitment to space exploration and Earth sciences makes it a trusted source for climate information. Additionally, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, is a valuable resource. Accessible at noaa.gov/climate, NOAA provides extensive data on weather, oceans, and the atmosphere. Their climate section offers detailed reports and forecasts that help us understand the ongoing changes in our environment. NOAA's research is critical for predicting future climate scenarios and preparing for potential impacts. These organizations provide comprehensive research, data, and analysis on climate change, its causes, and its potential consequences. By consulting these credible sources, you can stay informed about the latest scientific findings and understand the urgency of addressing climate change. It's important to recognize that climate change is a complex issue that requires a nuanced understanding. Misinformation can lead to confusion and inaction, which is why turning to reliable sources is essential. Attending seminars, conferences, and public talks by climate experts is another way to deepen your understanding. These events often feature leading scientists and researchers who share their latest findings and insights. Engaging with the scientific community can provide you with a more comprehensive view of the challenges and solutions related to climate change. Education plays a vital role in combating climate change. Schools and universities are increasingly incorporating climate science into their curricula, helping the next generation understand the importance of sustainability. By educating ourselves and others, we can foster a culture of awareness and action. Community involvement is also crucial. Participating in local environmental initiatives such as tree planting events, beach cleanups, and renewable energy projects can make a significant impact. These activities not only help the environment but also raise awareness about the importance of taking action against climate change. Social media can be a powerful tool for spreading accurate information and raising awareness. By sharing articles, infographics, and videos from credible sources, you can help educate your network about climate change. Using hashtags related to climate action can also amplify your message and connect you with like-minded individuals and organizations. Advocacy and policy change are essential components of addressing climate change. Supporting policies that promote renewable energy, reduce carbon emissions, and protect natural resources is vital. Engaging with policymakers and participating in advocacy campaigns can drive meaningful change at local, national, and global levels. Transitioning to renewable energy sources is a key strategy in mitigating climate change. Wind, solar, and other renewable energy projects are becoming more prevalent and accessible. Supporting and investing in these technologies can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and decrease greenhouse gas emissions. Sustainable agriculture is another important aspect. By adopting eco-friendly farming practices, we can reduce the environmental impact of food production. Supporting local and organic produce can also contribute to a more sustainable food system. Reducing our carbon footprint through lifestyle changes is equally important. Using public transportation, biking, walking, and opting for electric vehicles can significantly lower our individual carbon emissions. Small changes in our daily habits can collectively make a big difference. Waste reduction and recycling are also critical. By minimizing waste, composting organic materials, and reducing plastic use, we can lessen our environmental impact. Choosing eco-friendly products and supporting companies with sustainable practices can drive demand for greener alternatives. Collaboration and collective action are key to tackling climate change. Working together with diverse groups, sharing ideas, and supporting each other's efforts can lead to innovative solutions and stronger community resilience. Ultimately, protecting our planet is about preserving the natural beauty and biodiversity that we cherish. By taking informed and proactive steps, we can ensure a healthier and more sustainable future for generations to come. Remember, every action counts. Whether it's educating yourself, participating in community initiatives, or advocating for policy change, your efforts contribute to the global movement against climate change. Together, we can make a difference. Seek out credible sources, stay informed, and take action. The future of our planet depends on it. Remember, it's crucial to approach this topic with a critical and informed perspective. Relying on accurate information is vital for making responsible decisions about our planet's future.